Hello guys and welcome to Calling Orbit. In this video I will show you how to replace the Flutter boring white screen once you open your app. Now if I open my app, you can see that I have an image here and background different than the white one, and if I go to the dark appearance and change it to white appearance and open it again, you can see that I have different background and a different image as well. Now we will do this manually, so we're not gonna use any library. If you don't want to do it manually and you'd like to use a library, I will keep a link in the description for a video like that. Now before we get started, if you haven't subscribed yet, make sure to subscribe and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss our content. So let's get started. Alright, now this process for Android is much different than on iOS, so we will start with Android. The first thing we have to do, we have to expand Android, expand app, expand src, and expand main. Then we have to expand the res folder. Now inside the res folder, as you can see, I have two drawable folders. One is drawable and the other is drawable v21. So I will use v21, and if you don't have v21 you can use drawable immediately. Now once you open the drawable, you can see that you only have launch screen, you don't have launch image and launch image underscore dark, so you have to add them inside the drawable folder. And for better experience, you have to add different image inside each and every one of these folder, the mipmap HDPI and mipmap MDPI and all of those. Now I will keep a link in the description that converts a single image into all these values. You can use the drawable image and it will give you all these values and you can add them inside here. And the reason we do that, because we have different resolutions and different screen sizes, so Android will decide which one to use for a specific device. Now inside the launch background, you can see that you have this color white, and if I set it to black now and turn on my emulator, alright, you can see that we have a black screen now, and once Flutter engine finish loading, it will take me to the actual app, and that's because we changed the color from white to black. However, since I want it to be white mode and or light mode and dark mode, I will keep this as white, and you can actually change this into whatever color you want for light or dark, or you can keep it static for both, but I will keep it white for light mode and black for dark mode. Now to have an image, I will uncomment this and I will keep it the same. Android gravity means where do you want to place it. We will keep it as center, and we will keep it as mipmap launch image. And as you can see, we've added the all images inside our mipmap. So let's close it now and rerun it to see how will it appear. So let's wait a little bit. Alright, you can see that we have our icon inside here and a white screen. Alright, now since I want this to be for light and black screen, I will keep this as white. And if you scroll down a little bit and expand values and expand values night, you can see that we have values for light and values night for dark mode. So what I will do, I will actually copy this file and paste it, and I will change its name into underscore dark, and here I will change this to black, and I will change the launch image into dark as well. Now what I will do, I will not modify the values in the styles, I will modify the values in the night. So I will open it, and you can see that we have here item, drawable, launch background, and this is the one we are using inside here. So I will rename it to dark. So I don't want it to read this one, I want it to read this one with a black and dark image. Now if I close my app and open it again, hopefully everything will work. So let's wait and see. Alright, you can see that we have black screen and we have dark image now instead of the white one. And if we go to the settings and I want to change the appearance into white, I'll go to the display and turn off dark theme. Sorry. Okay, now I'll close the app and open it again. Now if I open it, you can see that we have white and white image. So that was it for Android. Now moving to iOS. Alright, now for iOS, we're not gonna use Android Studio, we're actually gonna use Xcode. So let's open Xcode and wait for it to load a little bit. Okay, now after it click open a project file, and inside the directory of this application, select the runner.xc workspace and open it, and wait for it to load a little bit as well. Now you can see once we click on assets, we have app icon, which is Flutter app icon, and we have launch image. Now launch image, we have to put 1, 2, and 3 images. So I've already prepared the images for iOS as well, and you can see that I have this one. I will put it here, and 2x and 3x. Now for iOS, if we want it to be dark and light mode, in the appearance here we can select it any, light, dark, and I will assume that the any is for light, and here we can put our light, so I will put the same images again. And for the dark, we will use the same image we used for Android, so I will put this. Alright, now for iOS, if we go to launch screen storyboard and wait for it to load, now if you click outside here, you can select whatever color you want. For example, I want this color or this color or whatever color you want, but for iOS, I want it also to be white and black, so I will keep it as system background color. But let me find it first. Okay, it's here, system background color, and you can see that for iOS it's much easier and it's much faster. Now if we go to Android Studio and select the iPhone Pro Max and run our app, hopefully it will work. So let's wait. Right, you can see that we have white and the image here, and that's because we are using the light mode. If I go to the settings and go to developer and turn on dark appearance and go and open the app again, you can see that we have black and black icon or image. So that was it, and I will keep the links in the description for both Android and iOS how to create the images. So thank you guys for watching, and if you like the video, like it and comment down below and subscribe for more Flutter content. See you in the next video.